In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com My Work. Navigating through Monday.com can be a breeze once you get familiar with its features, and today we're focusing on the My Work section. Let's dive right in. First, you want to log into your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, look to your left-hand sidebar and click on My Work. This is where the magic happens. It's a personalized view of all your tasks across various boards, which means it organizes everything you need to focus on in one convenient spot. This tool is excellent for managing all your tasks without hopping from one board to another. Understanding the layout of My Work is crucial. Essentially, it displays all tasks assigned to you from different boards and workspaces. It's thoughtfully organized by due dates, such as today, this week, next week, later, and no date, and by statuses like to do, in progress, and done. This way, you can quickly pinpoint urgent tasks and those that might need your attention later on. Next, let's customize your view to suit your workflow. At the top, you'll find filters that allow you to tailor what you see. You can filter by board if you want to focus on specific projects, or by status if you're keen on managing tasks that are still in progress. Need to hone in on today's tasks or catch up on overdue ones? You can filter by due dates to ensure you're on top of your scheduling. Now let's talk about taking action from your My Work page. This feature is not just for viewing tasks. You can update the status of tasks directly. For example, you might change the status of a task from to do to done once you've completed it. If you need to dive into more details, click on a task to open it up inside its specific board. This way, you have all the details at your fingertips and can add updates or notes as needed. For those who enjoy even more organization, take advantage of the sorting and grouping options. You can sort tasks by due date, board, or priority, which can help you get a well-structured overview of your workload. Finally, don't forget about productivity on the go. With the Monday.com mobile app, you can access the My Work section right from your phone. This is perfect for ticking off to-dos while you're out and about. Simply open the app, head to My Work, and see or update your tasks quickly wherever you are. With these tools and tips, managing your tasks on Monday.com becomes simpler and more efficient, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy